Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. This morning we're at Tansley Milepost 44 on the Halton Subdivision in Burlington, Ontario. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see if we can get any CN trains this morning. Here comes the next scene, roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. The time is now 5:12 a.m. I've been waiting for like over an hour and a half. I've been waiting over an hour for a train. How stupid is that? So what do we got for power on this westbound train? This might be 421 if it's mixed and intermodal. What do we got? It is pissing down rain right now. We got 3012, 3040. Symbol on this train is CN A421. The CN A421 originates from the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates in Port Robinson, Ontario. All on this July. Let me think for a sec. What day is it in July? July 10th, I think. 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be our only train in this video. On to the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. The time is now 5:30 a.m. I just finished eating my sausage McMuffin and 2 hash browns at McDonald's before the train came by. I'm glad I just had my breakfast before this train came by. It's just spitting rain. It's not even pissing that hard outside. But however, we have an eastbound right now and felt a couple mosquitoes on my arms earlier. So what do we got for power on this train? We got only one engine. We got 2888-62, I think. Yeah, 2862. I bet there's a DPU all right on this train. Symbol on this train is CN M302. What? This has got to be the 302 right there. CN M302 originates from the Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, detours through the States, terminates at the McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario. Oh. Toronto, Ontario, I said it. All on this July 10th, 2024, Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Did you guys just see that freaking lightning right there? Okay, I'm getting my, oh shit, I'm getting my, that's it, I'm getting in the car, or getting my umbrella. I'm getting my umbrella back on. It's gonna start raining even harder now. There, that's better. Sorry about the wiggliness. I apologize for the wiggliness here. The train isn't moving that slow, so I want to make sure I don't have a premiere on while I see Green Day, or else I'll skip a day posting a video, or a premiere video. If my video is 10 minutes long, I'll have to premiere if I'm having a premiere on the August 1st, then I'll have to do it, then I'll have to premiere it the next day or so. Because I'm going to go see Green Day live in Toronto on August the 1st. So I want to make sure I don't have a long video that day. But this train's moving at a decent speed, so it's not even moving that slow. Look, a lot of lightning and thunder, a lot of rain and lightning today. A lot of lightning out there. Looks terrifying. And this train has 400 axles. I heard it on the hot box of mile 33 Oakville sub. And if there is a DPU, all right, it's going to have to be a rear end one. Plus, this is a small 302 I'm catching. This is a smaller one. Usually 302s aren't that big, and I think this train has like 100 cars on it. If it's got 400 axles, it's got to be like over 100 cars, so like nearly around 100 cars. I think I can smell the DPU coming right now. Yeah, I hear it coming. Oh, look at that. Look, holy shit. Did you see that? Lightning. There's the DPU. Hopefully that's the end of it. Oh, it's still going. So I'm gonna have to skip the next day, unfortunately. What do we got for DPU right there? We got 3346. DPU, all right. All right. Fortunately, this video is gonna be like 10 minutes long, so I'm gonna have to. If this is going to be out on August the 1st, I'll do it on August the 2nd, I think. I have to look at my channel to see what day. I think I have videos all the way to the 30th, I think, of July. So actually, this is not going to be out on the August the 2nd or 1st. So this will be out on July 31st this year. I'll have to take a look. I'm not quite sure. If I'm doing it on July 31st, it wouldn't be a problem premiering. I think maybe tomorrow night or tonight I can go see some CPKC trains before I go away. Just only a one train video. Maybe I'll make a one train video tomorrow or tonight or see if I can make a video for the 1st of August so I can catch up a little bit. There's the end of M302. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Holy shit, did you hear that? Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody. I have to wrap this video up because there's thunder and lightning, and I don't want to get struck by lightning. Bye, everybody. Have a great night. Have a great day.